Akita puppy socialization, a critical step. Welcoming an Akita puppy into your home is an exciting and joyous experience. These loyal, intelligent, and beautiful dogs make fantastic companions. However, to raise a well-rounded and well-behaved Akita, proper socialization is crucial. In this article, we will discuss the importance of socializing your Akita puppy, the benefits it provides, and practical tips to ensure successful socialization. Why is socialization important? Socialization is the process of exposing your Akita puppy to various people, animals, environments, sights, and sounds from an early age to ensure they grow up to be confident, well-adjusted dogs. It helps them develop appropriate behavior, communication skills, and adapts them to different surroundings. Proper socialization also reduces the likelihood of your Akita becoming timid, fearful, or aggressive in the future. Benefits of socialization. 1. Confidence building. Early socialization boosts your Akita puppy's confidence, allowing them to navigate new experiences more easily. This confidence will help them respond calmly in situations that might otherwise cause fear or anxiety. 2. Reduced aggression. Well-socialized puppies are less likely to display aggressive behavior as they grow up, making them more predictable and easier to handle. Proper socialization promotes positive interactions with other dogs and humans, reducing the risk of aggression towards them. 3. Improved adaptability. A properly socialized Akita will be flexible and adaptable in different situations and environments. This adaptability will make traveling with your dog, introducing them to new places, or having guests over a smooth and stress-free experience. For better communication skills, socialized puppies learn appropriate communication skills by interacting with other dogs and people. They develop the ability to read and understand body language, thus avoiding misunderstandings or potential conflicts. Tips for successful socialization. 1. Start early. Begin socializing your Akita puppy as soon as you bring them home, ideally between 3 to 14 weeks of age. This period is known as the critical period for socialization, where puppies are more open to new experiences. 2. Gradual exposure. Introduce your puppy to different environments, such as parks, busy streets, or pet-friendly stores, one at a time. Allow them to explore at their own pace, ensuring positive experiences. Gradually increase the level of exposure as your puppy becomes more comfortable. 3. Positive reinforcement. Use treats, praise, and rewards to reinforce positive behavior during socialization. Reward your puppy for calm and relaxed behavior, rather than reacting fearfully or aggressively. For controlled interactions, when introducing your Akita puppy to other dogs or animals, ensure controlled and supervised interactions. Choose well-socialized, friendly, and vaccinated dogs that will provide positive encounters. 5. Varied socialization. Expose your Akita to various people, including children, the elderly, and individuals of different ethnicities, sizes, and appearances. This will help them become comfortable and accepting of diversity. 6. Obedience training. Alongside socialization, prioritize obedience training to set boundaries and establish good manners. Basic commands like sit, stay, and recall will provide structure and help your Akita develop self-control. Conclusion. Socializing your Akita puppy is an essential step towards raising a happy, confident, and well-adjusted dog. By exposing them to different experiences, people, animals, and environments, you are laying the foundation for a lifetime of positive interactions and well-behaved behavior. Remember to start early, be patient, and provide plenty of positive reinforcement. With proper socialization, your Akita puppy will flourish into a remarkable companion who can confidently